So I've got a few of the ZEISS application in front of me, and we're going to take a small look into each of them so you can get a better idea of where the scanner can be used with your business. Now first of all, we have the games controller over here. So if you imagine that we've created our part in CAD and then we want to make this and injection mold it for that final product. What we can do once we have the final product is scan it using the GOM Scan 1 and then use GOM Inspect to match the step file and the scanned part and then check where they fit. So we can actually compare this to our step file data so we know how well the injection molding process has gone so you get the best quality for your end use customers. Now the next phase we can use is for metal 3D printing. This will be for our inspection. So we've 3D printed this part and then had it CNC'd back so we get our nice crisp finish. What we can now do is similar process to the games controller is to 3D scan this part and check that against our original data so we can make sure that our 3D printed part is exactly what the customer needed. This can also be used for inspection on a larger scale. If we're making hundreds of thousands of parts, we can scan those parts, generate a report so our customer knows they're getting exactly what they've paid for. Now, the simplest thing we could be using the GOM Scan 1 for is simply reverse engineer a part. So let's say we've got a manifold like this. What we can then do is scan that on the GOM Scan 1 and then create ourselves a file we can either print or we can adapt using GOM Inspect software. So there's three very simple applications of how we can use the GOM Scan 1. And if you'd like to know more about it, visit 3dgbire.com and I'll take you through the process.